And again, password is not necessary, but if you do not want someone stealing your work or seeing the work behind it, I would put that password in. Welcome. In today's video, we will discuss how you can hide your formulas in an Excel sheet. Now, if you look at this Excel sheet, you can see that we have a few formulas. Now, what you can do to hide that is you would first select your data, or let's select the entire sheet. Go to alignment, protection, and first you want to make sure both boxes are unchecked. Then I would select hidden and then okay. Now if you look here, now it says you cannot hide it until you protect the worksheet. So but first check hidden and then go to review, protect your sheet, and here you do not have to put a password, but if you don't want someone else stealing your work, put a password in. So now if I go and click through, you don't see the formulas there. Now I can still change the data. So if this was a formula, I can still go in and change the date. Now, in addition to hiding the formula, you can also protect it where they cannot make any changes to anything on the spreadsheet. So you can set that for the entire sheet, or if you just want a section of the worksheet to be protected. So if this, you were sending this to someone, share for review, and you don't want them to see the work behind it, you don't want them to see the formulas that you've used, this is what you would do. So again, you can do the entire sheet, or you can do a selected set of data. So I'm going to select my data here. So the first thing I would do is I would go to review and unprotect my sheet. So again, I would select my entire sheet, alignment, make sure everything is unchecked. Then if I wanted to limit it to my data set, I would select my data set, go back to alignment, protection, and now I would actually click both. And again, hit OK. Then to review, protect sheet. And again, password is not necessary. But if you do not want someone stealing your work or seeing the work behind it, I would put that password in. And now I hit OK. So now not only can you not see the formula, you cannot change any cell within my data set here. So if I try to click anywhere, it's going to tell me that is protected, enter a password. Now because I didn't enter a password, all I would have to do is go to unprotect, and now I can see everything. If I do protect, I hit OK. Now again, can't make any edits. So that is how you protect your worksheet. That is how you hide your formulas. All right, thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If you enjoy the video, give it a like. If you did not enjoy the video, leave a comment and tell me why.